This definitely is not the same day. What are you talking about? I'm wearing a different shirt. It's definitely the same day as the last video was recorded. What up, my britches? So, I'm here for another video on another Thursday because I'm trying to keep up. This, we are going to talk about snack time. So I've been in high school for 4 months now, and I've noticed quite a few differences between high school and elementary school. This is one of those differences. The attendance window, which is next to the office for our high school, sets out these little like bowls of fruit and cookies, and you can get one of those. But there's no snack time. There's no designated time for snack, like in elementary school when you do have a snack time, and then a recess, and then 2 periods, and then a lunchtime, and then a recess. No, we only get a lunchtime. So I have this friend. Let's name him Scooter. Scooter likes to text me when I'm in the middle of like French class. Okay, here's what happened. When we register for school, we get our schedule or timetable for the year. Semester. I always call it a year. Not even gonna correct myself anymore. Semester. We get our timetable for the semester, and I sent him like a picture of it so he knew when he could text me and when he couldn't. From the times of 11:44 to the time of 12:55, he can text me to his heart's content, but no. Any other time between the times of 8:45 to 11:44 and then 12:55 to like 3:41, he cannot text me in those 2 time frames. He can text me in this time frame, but not these 2. He still does. He's like, hey, guess what time it is? And so I'm like, what time is it? And you'll never believe his response. His freaking response is, it's snack time. Lol, excuse me. You're welcome. You know what I did in response to this? What I did was I said to him, I'm like, hey, enjoy it now, because you will miss it. You'll miss it so much because you only get 1 time to eat. And sure, that may be like 74, 75 minutes, but I frankly don't care. You're gonna miss the snack time, you're gonna miss the recesses, you're going to miss the almost no homework. Because today, I got for science 5 to 6 pages of homework. I'm not doing them right now, I probably should, but don't worry about it. Sorry if you're watching this. Hi, Miss Stoltz. I'm sorry if you didn't want your name out here, but hi if you're watching this. I'm totally doing my homework as I'm recording. You just don't know because there's jump cuts. Please don't tell her I'm a bad kid. That was that. Little rant over. Scooter, if you're watching this, you know who you are. F you. I am not okay with you texting me while I am in French class. We are not allowed to have our phones out in French class, nor are we allowed to have our phones out at any time without the teacher's consent. So, yes. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, favorite, comment, whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching. Love you all. And good